So basically, today our question is, what is light? To answer that question, light is a source of energy that helps us see around us. And the speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 miles per second. Next, we move on to
చెప్పలేదు
the
అబ్బాయికి
properties of light. Like light travels along in a straight path. Light travels in a straight path. So one example is when you walk on a sunny day through the woods, you find that there will be tiny gaps of sunlight on the sidewalk
వావ్
that fill the gaps in between the branches and its leaves. This proves that sunlight moves in a straight path.
వావ్
And if you want a practical example, you can take two tubes, one bent and one straight, play all the lights in the room, and place a candle on a table almost 50 centimeters away from the tube. You look through the straight tube. First, look through the straight tube. You can find that you can easily see the candle. But if you look through the bent tube, you cannot see the candle. So this proves that light travels along a straight path. So, and then another property is basically any object that is thoroughly polished or has a natural shine acts as a mirror. And then after that, I move on to real and virtual images. Basically, an image that can be obtained on a screen is known as a real image. And an image that cannot be obtained on a screen is known as a virtual image.
కనిపించు
Now I move on to plane mirrors. So basically, the image formed by this particular plane mirror is always erect or straight. It is always virtual and is the same size of the object. The image is at the same distance behind the mirror as the object is in front of it. So, if you want an example, you can take a chessboard, draw a line through the middle, and put a mirror on this line. Take an object and put it 3 boxes away from the mirror. If you count in the mirror, the object will also be 3 boxes away. Now move the object to the 4th or 5th box.
పెంచదులే
You can find that the object in the mirror has also moved to the 4th or 5th box.
స్క్రీన్ లో రికార్డ్ అయిపోతుంది నా బాధ
Now, after finishing with the plane mirror, I move on to lateral inversion. So basically, in an image formed by a mirror, the left side of the image, the left side of the object,
వీడియో స్టాప్ చేసేస్తే
is the right side in the image. And the right side in the image is seen as the left side in the object.
అక్కడే కనిపిస్తాడు ఆఫ్ చేశాను పర్లేదు
Stand in front of a mirror, put your left hand out, and you can find that your right hand has moved out. Put your right hand out, and you can see that your left hand has moved out in the mirror. Now, I move on to an important topic called concave mirror. So, what is a concave mirror? A concave mirror can form a real and inverted image. That means that the object can be obtained on a screen and is upside down. When the object is placed very close to the mirror, the object is virtual, erect, and magnified. So what they're saying is, when the object is placed very close to the mirror, the image formed by the object it cannot be obtained on a screen, straight, and magnified. So now I move on to another important topic called convex lens. So an image formed by a convex mirror is erect, virtual, and smaller in size than the object. So what he's trying to say is a convex mirror can form an image that cannot be obtained on the screen and magnified. So when an object is placed very close to a convex lens, it is magnified. So when this particular lens is used to see, it is in a concave lens is that it can only form erect, virtual, and smaller image than the object. That is something that you should remember. And the last part of light is the dispersion of light. So basically, white light is composed of 7 colors. The colors that we see in a rainbow. So if you want an example, take a cardboard disc and paint it 7 colors, the colors of the rainbow. Attach it firmly to a ballpoint pen and spin the ballpoint pen as if you're spinning the top of a top. Now you can find that while rotating, the 7 colors appear to form a white light. This white light is the seven colors of the rainbow mixed in one. Such a disk is also known as a Newton's disk.